Alright, here we go. 1970 Triumph Daytona T100R. It is XD 36027 T100R. And here's your engine. XD 36027 T100R. This is the US version of the T100T that was the British version. So I'm going to tickle the carbs real quick, and I'm going to show you that it's cold. It's cold-blooded, so we'll tickle the carbs, we'll kick it over and get it running. Full-blooded, so I've got it running on full choke now, and you can see she just sits there and ticks away. Let's get up here and see what we got. What is that, about a 1200 RPM? Not bad for an idle when it's cold. Like I say, this is choked all the way. So we've got that. Here's your one works. Here's your light switch. Up here, there's your park light, here's your headlight. Come on. Oh, come on. Well, we'll get that working. It was working yesterday. And we've got brake light. Tail light. Have to take a look at this. There we go. It's just the switch is a little dirty, so there you go. And this is the dip, so this here, high beam, low beam, so there you go. High beam, low beam works. And let me get my rags out of here. Use those when I tickle the carburetor. Let's see how it goes down the driveway. we go. Runs like a top.